I didn't land on my butt. Very muddy. Knock knock, anybody home? I would say that kind of broke away and fell. Oh, we got a squirrel over here. Oh, little chipmunk. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is. That was probably his home I just knocked at. All right.
All right, she did it.
Guys, check out this tree right here. All the way up. It's like vines. Just kind of twisted themselves around that tiny little tree. You can see as it goes all the way up to the top. That's pretty cool. I'm thinking the cliff gave away. So over here, it looks like they have picnic tables and viewing areas. And this is definitely a higher area than when we were over there. And then the train comes through. And so far it looks like clear paths, you know, the normal walking paths. This seating area is definitely wheelchair accessible, but beyond that and getting to it is not. So it's definitely a really cool place, and I'm not a rock climber, so I don't know what top rope is. But as you've seen in the beginning, or in a few minutes ago, about the no rappelling or whatever the rules were, I'll put it on screen for you here. Now everybody, we were actually over at Fitzgerald Park, which is down that way. And we walked down this path all the way down there. And I don't know if you can see, let's see if I can zoom in. There's that little island that we walked out is, I don't want to walk off this ledge, but let me see if I can get a little closer and maybe get a shot. So that platform right over there where the grass is, you can see the green grass. That platform is where the island was that we walked out, where all the goose poop was. And now we're at Oak Park, and this is definitely a lot taller. And it looks like people have sketched things in the sandstone. But we're up here and we're gonna do some more walking, and you see the geese are out there having fun or fighting or whatever. Whatever they're doing it for sure. This little red maple. Still got lots of color going on.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and click into this box to see the playlist for all of Michigan places I've seen. See you in the next video.